Welcome to the best pick. The best solenoid lock is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in modern security systems, offering a robust and reliable method for controlling access to everything from simple cabinets to high-security vaults. These electromagnetic devices utilize a movable plunger or bolt that is extended or retracted by an energized coil, providing a secure locking mechanism that can be integrated seamlessly into automated systems, smart home setups, or traditional access control solutions. Their ability to be electronically controlled makes them ideal for applications requiring remote operation, timed access, or integration with other security features like cameras and alarm systems, ensuring that your property and belongings are protected with cutting-edge technology. Number 5. ATOPLEE Electronic Cabinet Lock. Introducing the ATOPLEE Electronic Lock, designed for seamless security in various applications. This compact and durable lock is your reliable solution for cabinets and lockers. From schools and hotels to factories and supermarkets, this electronic lock is perfect for storage cabinets, mailboxes, and vending machines. It offers a wide range of uses for your convenience. Crafted with a robust steel plate outer shell and carbon steel internal parts, this lock is built to last. It resists deformation and rust, ensuring long-term performance. Measuring just 73 by 58 by 13 mm, this DC-12V two-way lock operates efficiently. It unlocks when energized, providing a secure yet accessible solution. Designed for durability, it withstands over 500,000 unlock cycles under normal use. Experience peace of mind with its extended product life. What we like. This lock is built to last with its robust carbon steel construction, ensuring it won't easily deform or rust. It's designed for a long product life, capable of over 500,000 uses. If you need a reliable and durable locking solution for cabinets, drawers, or mailboxes in high-traffic areas like schools or factories, this is a great choice. What people say. The solenoid lock is easy to install and wire up. It works reliably and has a strong locking mechanism. The compact design makes it suitable for various applications. Number 4. Gun-safe solenoid lock with override keys. Introducing a high-quality solenoid lock designed for your gun safe. It ensures the security of your valuables with a sturdy build. This lock comes with 2 unique override keys, ensuring that only you can access your safe. These keys cannot be duplicated for enhanced security. In case of solenoid damage, these override keys provide easy access to your valuables. It's always wise to keep an extra set for emergencies. This solenoid lock is suitable for a wide range of safes. Use it for gun safes, pistol safes, hotel safes, and even coin-operated safes. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is recommended. If you face any issues, our dedicated support team is here to assist you. What we like. This solenoid lock comes with 2 unique override keys, providing a secure backup in case of electronic failure. It's designed for safes, offering peace of mind for your valuables. If you're looking for a replacement lock for your gun safe or any other type of secure cabinet and prioritize having a reliable physical key backup, this is the product for you. What people say. The lock is very sturdy and well made. It was easy to install and connect to my existing system. The solenoid is powerful and holds the door securely. Number 3. Universal 12V Car Power Door Lock Kit, 4-pack. Introducing a complete set of 4 powerful actuators designed to efficiently upgrade your car's door locking system. Experience the convenience of remote locking. Installation is made easy with included mounting straps, ensuring a stable and secure attachment. This provides reliable long-term performance for your peace of mind. Achieve an optimal fit with connecting rods that provide versatility. They adapt the actuators to your vehicle's specific door dimensions for a perfect match. We've simplified the installation process even further. Self-tapping screws are included to make the setup smoother and quicker. Enhance your installation experience with comprehensive hardware. Everything you need is included to successfully complete the upgrade. What we like. This kit provides a complete set of 4 powerful actuators, designed to efficiently upgrade your car's door locking system. It includes all necessary hardware for secure and stable mounting, making installation smoother. If you're looking to add or upgrade power door locks on your vehicle and want a comprehensive kit that simplifies the process, this is an excellent option. What people say. The lock is easy to install and wire up, making it a convenient option for various applications. It functions reliably, providing secure access control for doors and cabinets. The compact design allows for discreet installation without compromising its effectiveness. Number 2. Mini Electromagnetic Solenoid Lock. Introducing our compact electromagnetic solenoid lock, designed for versatile applications. This device offers a simple yet effective solution for securing various access points. Its adjustable design allows for easy customization, fitting left, right, up, and down orientations. This ensures strong applicability across different setups. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it boasts high strength and rust resistance. You can rely on its long service life for continuous operation. This lock is perfect for a wide array of uses, including doors, windows, boxes, cabinets, and drawers. Its adaptability makes it a go-to choice for many needs. Measuring approximately 6.6 by 4.3 centimeters, it features a sleek electroplated surface. Installation is straightforward with its surface mount design, requiring no complex tools. Experience instant locking and unlocking with a simple power application. Its simple structure and low power consumption make it incredibly convenient to use. What we like. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this miniature electromagnetic lock offers excellent rust resistance and a long service life. Its adjustable design allows for easy installation and broad applicability across various doors, windows, and cabinets. If you need a versatile and durable lock for smaller applications like boxes or drawers where easy surface installation is a priority, this is a fantastic fit. What people say. The lock is compact and easy to install. It works reliably and has a strong magnetic hold. The build quality is good and it feels durable. Number 1. UXCELL Electromagnetic Solenoid Lock Catch. Introducing the UXCELL Solenoid Lock Catch, designed for easy and secure cabinet door locking. Its compact size makes it a versatile solution for various applications. With a total size of just 33 by 20 by 21 mm, this electromagnetic lock provides robust security without taking up much space. It's perfect for keeping your belongings safe. Installation is a breeze thanks to its simple structure. You'll save valuable time getting it set up, allowing you to enjoy its benefits right away. The groove width of 12 mm and specific mounting hole dimensions ensure a snug fit. This accessory is engineered for convenience and reliable performance. Each package contains 4 solenoid lock catches, providing ample supply for multiple cabinets or doors. Get everything you need for enhanced security in one purchase. Experience reliable electromagnetic security with this lock. It's an ideal accessory for any cabinet door that requires a secure and easily accessible locking mechanism. What we like. This solenoid lock catch latch features a simple structure and is incredibly easy to install, saving you time. Its compact size makes it suitable for various cabinet doors and small enclosures. If you're looking for a straightforward and space-saving locking accessory for cabinets or drawers where a quick and easy installation is key, this accessory is a practical choice. What people say. This solenoid lock works great and is very strong. The lock is easy to install and use. It is a good value for the money. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.